Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to disassemble this little beauty which I found on eBay. It's a really old calculator from Texas Instruments, as you can read here. It's actually the SR10, manufactured in the early 70s, so it came out in November 1972. So quite an interesting instrument here. The device is a bit worn down, it doesn't work anymore. Probably you need some batteries. Well, let's look inside. Actually, the idea was here not to, understand the calculator itself. As you know, I'm a huge CPU fan. So I was asking myself the question, what really old vintage processors can you find in calculators? And I stumbled over an entry in Wikipedia on this device, and okay, here, so it's open. You see it's, wow, quite worn down. And the Wikipedia said there's an old processor called TMS 0120NC. And this seems to be the calculator chip, and it is surrounded here by four other smaller integrated circuits. Two of them are called 75494 and 75493. So now the idea is to disassemble this completely and add these ICs and processors to my collection. Okay, this is quite a mess. So here I think I have to remove the screws, and probably I will not use this anymore. I can also take this part off. Yeah, so maybe here for the last time to show you, these are the ICs and the processor on the chip. Pretty neat design from 1972. Okay, so what I have done is I put back the calculators, so maybe I will keep it for my collection, my museum. And here is now the removed circuit board, quite a small one, as I said, and this is the central calculator chip, and with the four ICs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove them. So I have two possibilities. I can solder it out, which can take quite a while, but it's of course the, let's say, the more beautiful version, or I just can use a heat gun. So I'm gonna use the heat gun. Watch this now. Alright, so I will set on the machine. I'm not giving it so much heat. Well, perfect result, I would say. Look, this was a calculator. This is the circuit board where the main chip was installed, plus the 4 ICs. And here's the result. I could remove them quite easily. As you saw, it took about 3-4 minutes. The chips are still a bit warm, but nevertheless. So you can see one of those little ones, which is called 75494, and this is the main processor that I wanted to get out. And yeah, I'm happy. TMS 0120NC is mine. Okay, that was it. Thanks a lot for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe, and talk to you next time.